In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a manuscript on Kindle Direct Publishing. If you're just getting started on your self-publishing journey, or if you've already published a book and need to make some updates, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's navigate to the bookshelf. The bookshelf is essentially your project dashboard within Kindle Direct Publishing, where all your current and past book projects are listed. By logging into your KDP account, you'll see the Bookshelf tab prominently displayed on your dashboard. It serves as the starting point for all your editing needs, from tweaking your book's content to checking its sales status. So go ahead and click on the Bookshelf now. Next, we want to find the book project you wish to update and move on to editing the book's content. Click on the ellipsis, those three little dots next to your book title. This opens a drop-down menu where you will select Edit eBook Content. This section holds all the essentials for your book's presentation on the Kindle platform, including the manuscript itself. It's important to note that significant changes might affect how your book looks to current owners, so make sure your edits are thorough and deliberate. Now, let's move on to the core of the update: uploading your new manuscript. Under the Manuscript category, you will see an Upload Paperback Manuscript button. Click on it, and it will open a File Navigator window on your computer, allowing you to select the updated file. Remember, KDP accepts manuscripts in formats like DOCX for ease of formatting. Once you have uploaded the new manuscript, the system will process it and generate a preview, which I recommend you review carefully. This preview is your chance to see exactly what your readers will experience. Take your time here to make sure everything looks right, as this is the last stage before publication where you can catch any layout issues or typos. Finally, we're at the saving and republishing stage. After you're satisfied with the manuscript upload and the preview, navigate to the bottom of the page and hit Save and Continue. You'll be guided back to your book's main setup page. Here, you can make any additional changes if necessary, or proceed directly to republish your book. When you're ready, click Publish Your Kindle ebook at the bottom. This finalizes the update and sends your book for review, which typically takes a few days. The updated version will soon be live and available for purchase on the Kindle store. So, there you have it, a straightforward approach to updating your manuscript on Kindle Direct Publishing. Remember, KDP updates provide authors the excellent opportunity